One of Entergy's facilities, Arkansas Nuclear One, which has over 10,000 feet of buried surface water piping, was looking for an innovative and economical way to go rehabilitate significant portions of this piping. Current estimates using currently approved methods and approaches was going to exceed several $100 million.
So when the industry solidified its risk-informed methodologies, our program engineering staff saw an opportunity to potentially apply it to our repair replacement activities. Using that, we collaborated with ASME and EPRI, and the outcome was N752, which allowed us to categorize individual components rather than systems. This approach turned out to be a great benefit to our sites and our fleet.
A&O used in code case N752 for service water piping. A&O also used code case N752 for an emergency feedwater bonnet replacement, where maybe 5069 might take 3 months, a code case N752 maybe 2 weeks. We are actually able to increase our equipment reliability by using this code case.
It took nearly 2 years of collaboration between the Entergy fleet, Duke Energy, NEI, other industry work groups that were involved. We carried the baton across the finish line, but a lot of work was done by the rest of the team to get us here.